Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Nokia 5310 dual SIM feature phone. So this is a feature phone. It's a retro style feature phone. You will notice this retro style design. This comes with a numpad rather than a QWERTY touchpad keyboard that we have with almost every smartwatch these days. This also comes with a replacement guaranteed offer right over here, as you can see. There you go. Let's take a look at what other features it has. This comes with a 2.4-inch display. It has dual speakers, FM radio, MP3 player, micro SD card slot. So there's a standby time. So on single SIM, it has a standby time of 30 days. And with a dual SIM, it has a standby time of 22 days. And that's it. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. First up, we have a quick guide for the Nokia 5310. You should read it at least once before you begin setup. And let's keep this over here. There's a 1200 mAh battery, removable rechargeable battery for this particular phone. I will insert it in the phone in a while. And this is the micro USB charger that comes with it. There is also a pair of headset. This is for when you want to listen to music or FM on the go. This is a great addition. Notice the 2.4-inch display window. It's almost half the size of the entire phone. That's a great thing. And also notice the retro style design. This is a numpad and not a smartphone QWERTY keypad. Okay, there are some couple of buttons. There is a volume rocker button on this side, on this red strip over here. And there are some play, pause and changing track options on this side. This is basically for all kinds of music control. At the back there is a camera and a flash as well, and notice the Nokia logo right over here. Let's show you what's inside. You can remove the cover pretty easily, just like that. These are the two dual SIM slots over here, and there's a micro SD slot over here as well. I'm going to insert the battery now. It's pretty simple. Inserting the battery is just you make sure that these metallic plates are connected to the metallic pointers over here. So you just insert like so, close it, shut it tight like that. Switching on a retro design phone is pretty simple. Just have to look for the call end button. So this is the call end button. Just have to press and hold this button. And there you are. It's turned on now. You heard that note? It's working perfectly. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Nokia 5310 dual SIM feature phone. Thank you for watching.